Welcome back to this video, and this is a bonus video, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly destroy the Nasdaq chart on the 4-hour time frame. And within a couple seconds we're just going to quickly destroy this entire chart, right, using simple trend lines. We're going to try and stick to only using trend lines, and maybe close to the trend lines we're going to look for supply zones. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, within seconds guys, within seconds, or within just maybe 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to basically, just in like a minute from now, how we're going to completely destroy this 4-hour chart on Nasdaq. Okay, just using one tool on TradingView, the trend line. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, boom, we have one confirmation there. It's always the breakout candle on the inside, right? That's our first key point. You look for the next touch, the next wick up, and the next bullish wick. Boom, pull that out, right? Got one entry there. We got a long entry there, and we got a short entry there. Okay, that's one. Okay, right. Let's zoom into this area. Okay, the next key point you want to take note of is that same wick. Look for the next breakout candle. From there to there, pull it all the way out. Okay, another entry to short the market. Right, let's go. Let's see what else we can see. Let's come back here. Look at this height, this peak. Look for the next peak. You only need 2 peaks to confirm a trend direction. So that's one peak, second peak, pull it all the way out, and boom, we got our next entry to take a long entry into the market. All right, let's keep going guys, let's keep going. Right, let's find another entry right here. Okay, look at these candle wicks. You go from the longest wick down, or even the inside wick. Let's go with the first inside wick. Right, let's pull it out. Let's touch the lowest wick of this last candle. You only need 2 points, you only need 2 touch points. Right, pull it out all the way. Okay, now look, we have another entry to short the market right there. Entry there, entry there, entry there,
new trade zone opened,
and entry there. Right, let's keep going. That's also another entry. Well, we didn't find that, that was our base point. So this was the entry we found down here. Right, let's keep going, let's keep going. Let's see what else we can find. Right guys, all right, let's come back to here. Let's take this bottom wick. Let's take this wick all the way up to the top, right, on the inside of the last wick. Pull it all the way, or even if we only had 2 touch points, so this point, or even this wick here, if we only had that candle wick and this candle wick, and there was no market outside left, just pull it all the way out, right, and you will see we have our next entry point into the market. Okay, simple. Let's keep going, we're just using the trend lines, and we are destroying the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's come back, let's do this one from all the way up here, all these touch points, pull it down all the way. Right, let's zoom in, and we see we get another entry. Right here. Okay, that's another one. Okay, let's keep looking. What else can we see? Here, if you wanted to join back into the downtrend, right, here's the entry right here from the lowest wick. You only need one, you only need 1 or 2, right? wicks. You don't need the entire range. So even if market stop right here on that wick there, from there pull it all the way out in the same direction, right? Only need 2 wicks to confirm something. Only need 2 wicks to confirm something, right? Now keep in mind, when there is a massive trend line like this, you'll want to wait for price to come back close to the trend line. All right, and we see there, this was one of our key entries, given right near the trend line when we drew the huge trend line all the way down. And look below on our lower touch points, we got another snappy entry to short the market there, right? So another one based on our long trend line given there, right? Let's keep looking, let's keep looking, let's keep looking, let's keep looking. What else can we see? What else can we see? Couldn't catch that. Couldn't see that. Okay, so we see a ranging marker here, and we see an order block. We see an order block on the first breakout candle of this, based on D1 King strategy. Let's pull that out. Boom. We have our entry there, also close to the trend line. Triple confirmation. Here we also have another breakout candle on the inside. Let's do that. Let's pull it out. Boom. We have another triple confirmation near the trend line. Okay, let's come up to the top. Let's do the same thing. First breakout candle from the top there. Let's pull it out on the inside. We have our next confirmation to short this out, to short the market right there. Okay, all right. Alright, so that's that. So right away, here's another entry right here. Here's another entry right here. We got a touch point there. We only need 2 touch points on that candle. Pull it all the way across. One. We have another confirmation too, and so long right there. Okay, all right. And the other way, if market's making higher highs, most traders will look for 1 touch point, 2nd touch point, a 3rd touch point, right? So basically, we got 1 touch point there, a 2nd touch point there. The 3rd time we came back to that would be a confirmation to enter buy, right? This is just a trend line. Okay, market is making higher highs, 3 touch points, and we have the breakout from the low, from almost the lowest low, right, on the 4-hour chart. So that is it, guys, for Nasdaq. And let's look here on the top, where we were given an entry to join back into the sell trip from the higher side. Can we see it? Let's take a look. Okay, we have 2 touch points in this direction. Does market give us anything there? Nope, nothing goes back to the top. Let's look at the other direction. We have one there, no data suggesting anything. However, we have what do we have? Let's take a look at this. Can we see something? Can we see something simple? Is there an order block here? Is there an order block? Is there an order block? Let's take this from the first breakout candle. Let's pull it all the way across, right? Did they give us an order block? Yes, they gave us an order block. Market gave us an order block, guys. Boom and boom. Okay, based on the first inside breakout candle, the order block was given perfectly, and simple as that. Within a few minutes you can destroy the Nasdaq chart. Right, and if you did this clearly, you would have got your trend lines at the bottom to give you the touch point if you entered the sell from the top. If you drew your trend lines pretty much from those two inside candles, those two touch points there, even just using those two touch points, and you put it out in the same direction, you would have gotten the trend line touch for that zone. Okay, even if you pulled out the trend line from this touch point to the second to the third touch point, you would have got your trade close price at that level. Let's pull it out. So based on those 3 wicks, you would have got your touch point to close off the short, right? And this would have confirmed the entry from here to that touch point into the long, into the buy, and we go back up into the order block on the first breakout candle, and this would confirm the short. Okay, boom boom boom, and we can see everything has been covered just by simple trend lines. Okay, again, I've covered this on the D1 King strategy, and if you start to train your eyes to see these things, make these simple lines on your charts, and once market moves there, if we have wicks, the candle wick confirmations will confirm those entries for you. And like I said, make sure you can if market is ranging, there is an order block up here. If market is ranging, there is a supply block. Again, if market is ranging here, there's a supply zone up here. Again, market was ranging up on top here, up, down, up, and back to the top, retest, and then we sink. Okay, so there's a high chance that when the market is ranging, we have an order block. Okay, right, guys? This is pretty simple stuff, and anyone can do this. Right, this is the 4-hour chart, completely destroyed with simple trend lines, guys. Within just a few minutes, the entire market has been mapped out. Okay, catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, all right, take care, have a great day.